Hello, it's Sunday the 28th of April 2024 and it's match day once again in the Premier League. It's AFC Bournemouth versus Brighton and Hove Albion at Dean Court this afternoon. 2 p.m. kickoff, another Sunday kickoff. We'll have to get used to this when we start playing in Europe. Maybe next season, who knows? So after the win against Wolves on Wednesday, we're looking to continue that run of winning without conceding as we welcome a Brighton side struggling for form. We could still get into the Europa Conference League. There is still a chance. We are not far off 7th. If we can win the rest of our games, who knows? I'm not going to be at the game this afternoon. It'll be Big Tell who will be taking the reins for the vlog this afternoon down in Bournemouth. I'm at a Premier in London. My family are the opposite side of the camera. As you can probably hear, my son playing with toys. So sadly, I'm not there. But Big Tail will take you through the action. So let's hand over to Big Tail down on the south coast. Big Tail, take it away.
Good morning on Sunday the 28th of April. It's match day, my last match day of the season. It's at home to Brighton. A lot of respect for Brighton, but I really believe we can go and win there today. So this is Big Tail reporting today. So where's little Colin, you asked yourself? Well, it's his birthday. So he's off out with the family, with his young son and his wife. So good luck to him. I hope he has a lovely day. I can't think of anything better than to spend my birthday at Dean Court watching Bournemouth, but there you go, each to their own, and maybe I'm just a little bit older than he is. So anyway, I hope he has a lovely day. So my last match day, I'm not going to the last home game. I'm against Brentford, I'm away, and I'm not going to Arsenal or Chelsea. But we will see how the day goes. I'm really looking forward to the match. I think we've got a really good chance today, so we'll see how it goes. But I think for me, it's time just to reflect on the season. You know what? I was not Irola's biggest fan at the start of this campaign. I was a bit disappointed in the first part of the season. I didn't think he had a plan B, and I was quite adamant that he wouldn't survive till Christmas. How wrong could I be? They turned it round, and they've had a really good season. And if they win today, they'll get the highest points they've ever achieved, even under Eddie in the Premier League. So it bodes well for next season. So let's hope that we get those 3 points today, get ourselves up to 48 points, and yeah, best we've ever done. So that will be great. So what sort of season's it been? Well, you know what? I've got some great memories. I had some good away days. I went to Old Trafford, 3-0. What a day that was. I went to the Etihad. All right, we were outclassed at the Etihad, and I was very disappointed. I went to Burnley, and I went to Anfield. So that's a few of the away games that I've been to. And you know what? They've been really enjoyable days out. So, you know, I can't dispute what a good season it's been. There's some great games at home as well. And always exciting. I was really pleased to see Travers get a going goal last week. That was, I think, overdue. I think Neto has been a great inspiration to the club. He's certainly very influential. However, I think it was time for a change, and I was really glad to see Travers in. I'm hoping he stays in for the rest of the season now and can prove that he's the right person for next season. If not, then we need to be in the market for a goalkeeper. I'm sure there'll be changes over the summer. I think players such as Billing, who've been stalwarts of the club and have signed new deals but can't get in the side at the moment, well, may well move on. And we could cash in and get some good money for those people on long contracts. I mean, there are rumours that Don will go. I really hope he doesn't. But if he does, good luck to him. He's been a great servant. And I'm sure the club will bring in good replacements. And, you know, Unal's would have a chance then to prove himself. So it all bodes well for next season. It's been a great season for me. I've really enjoyed it. I hope you've enjoyed the vlogs. I'm sure Colin will be at Brentford and we'll do a vlog that day. But I'm going to be off to Dean Courts shortly. Really looking forward to it. I'm going to have a good day, so I'll send as much information from there as I can. So good luck to you all. I'll speak to you all soon. So, Matchday coffee, one of several, no doubt. In Costa, Christchurch early. Other coffee shops are available. Team news is out. Interesting, to bring his ill, so he's not playing. So effectively we've got Christie now on the bench, who now starts. I think that's his first start, I may be wrong, but I think it is. So he's starting up front, very attacking side with Semenyo and Dom up front as well. So with you now, that's very attacking side. So we'll see how Clive plays. So Kelly comes in at left back, the suspended Kirkes. So I think it's a very strong side. But I'm surprised Christie's not playing, but Kelly at left back, that's great news. So we'll see. It could be a very open game, play similar games, so we'll see. But I hope they play up in the back like they did the other day, because I think with our pace we'll make them suffer. But let's hope we do. There's a lot of Brighton supporters here, so looking forward to the game. Just on my way up Steam Court now. It's great news that Travers is playing instead of Neto. I think he's a much better choice. So Neto's done pretty well all season apart from his distribution. I think it's great news that Travers has been given his chance to stay playing for the place next season. So let's hope he has a good game again like he did the other night. Claims the ball and he's very dominant in his area. AFC Bournemouth 1, Brighton 0. It's an AC with a header after about 16-17 minutes. Good goal. We may ruin this chance. We had two really good chances. He now is a little bit out of his depth, to be honest. And we should have had one. He doesn't seem to know when to go and when not to go. Dom's playing just behind him. Overall, good first half. Brighton got a little threat. One good save from Travers when he went out of someone's feet. But Barnes had really little to do. So 1-0. Interesting to see Arsenal winning 3-0 at Tottenham. But that's very relevant. But we look solid. Dango is playing left back and Kelly's in the middle. Dango plays so well at left back. He really is a much better left back than he is forward. So yeah, looking quite strong across the back. Tenacious has got to take it easy. He's been booked quite early on. Undeserved, but it is what it is. But anyway, 1-0 up, so let's hope that we can bury him in the second half. satisfying afternoon at the Vitality today with a lovely easy 3-0 win over Brighton. Probably about as easy as it gets. They never really threatened. The one good save in the second half that Travers had to make was offside anyway. But they played really well. It's great to see the whole squad coming together. So the squad players coming and making a difference. Great goal from Justin Clivert. So 48 points, best points total ever. I see no reason why we can't win at home to Brentford. I think we've got a good chance at Chelsea. Wouldn't I just love to take something off Arsenal when we go there next week? Brighton, to be fair, I think we're on the beach. They really didn't offer very much, but I must pay great tribute to their supporters. They're singing right at the end. Most of them still there. The team went over to thank them. Tremendous support. So well done, Brighton fans. I think that's worth noting. But Andoni Iraola has definitely got Bournemouth playing well. The players, nearly all the players without exception. Travers was superb again, 2 clean sheets in a row. Very dominant, great kicking. So very impressed with him as well. So overall, a great performance. And I have to say, Dango at left back, that is definitely his position. Amazing. So anyway, brilliant performance all round by the Cherries. My last game of the season. Colin will be with you for the Brentford game. And I'm sure you'll be following the 2 away games at Chelsea. And just a final wrap up, just say thanks to everyone who's watched these videos, Colin and Big Tell's vlogs. If you can, just give us a like, it makes a difference. And if you haven't already subscribed, please do subscribe. We'll be here, as I say, for the Brentford game, and we'll be here all next season as well. So thank you all for following, thank you for watching. And thanks for all the away supporters who've watched and made nice comments as well. I hope Colin's had a great birthday. I wish you all the very, very best, and I will see you all next season.
Thank you, Big Tell. Another win, and we continue our journey or battle to get Europe when no one expected it, when everyone thought Iraola was going to get sacked after 9 games without a win, and all the pundits said we were stupid for getting rid of O'Neill. You're not laughing now, are you? You're not laughing now. 3-0 against Brighton. So comfortable. Should have been more. Brighton, they had a great season last year. They're struggling this year. They didn't really offer much. We should have won by more. So thank you, Big Tell, and thank you everybody for watching. If you like this video, why not give it a thumbs up? Why not subscribe? We recently went over the 500 subscriber mark, which was amazing. Thank you so much for all your support. Really appreciate it. We'll be back in a couple of weeks' time when we play Brentford at home. Not going to be going to the next few away games, sadly. But thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.